It's a good morning. The only thing that's wrong is the sun isn't out today. Whoops. All right, let's get it. Go ahead and let's get it started here. Let's copy that. Started here. Let's copy that. Started here. Copy that. I can't do no shows, 'cause I terrify my city. They say what? Right. All right. It is a good morning. Let me fix the camera a bit. Drop it down just a little bit like that. How's everyone doing? Good morning. Good morning. Let me set up real quick. We're in the office today, like every day. Chilling, chilling. Starting this beautiful. What's today? Wednesday, even? All right. Let's get rid of this. All right, put that behind there. Let's get comfortable here. Let's wait for everyone to stream in. Let's get rid of these lines. Let's go over the daily. Let's go over the possibilities. Let's mark up the 4-hour zones, right? Yo, what's up, Ali, man? How you doing, bro? Welcome to the stream. I appreciate you tuning in as always. Zarin, what's good, bro? How you doing, brother? How's your transition in strategies going, bro? I hope everything's going well. Antonio Parker, good morning. You're the GOAT, bro. Antonio, you're the GOAT, bro. 100%. Roland, good morning, brother. How you doing, man? Thank you for tuning in. Whoa, what happened? What? It just that was weird, right? How's everyone doing? I appreciate everyone for coming in. We're gonna wait a little bit longer. Gold buys, Curious Chris. You are the first Timmy today, right? Gold buys depends a lot on this 4-hour candle. Yes. Looks like it's flipping though, but we're just gonna have to wait and be patient. I am going to mark up the charts here, mark up the possibilities, look at what potentially could happen, and then we're gonna go from there, right? Yo, Joe Scott MC, good morning, brother. Thank you for tuning in, man. I appreciate you, man. How you doing? How's everyone doing, man? How's everyone doing? I'm doing fabulous, man. I feel good. I don't kind of look good because I gotta go to the barber and get the edge up and fade, but that's okay, right? Who cares, right? So let's get it in, right? Let's just mark up the gold real quick. Let's just mark up the gold and let's go over the possibilities of today, right? So obviously, very obvious 4-hour support right here, right? Boom, right? Very obvious. Price already came down into it as you see and rejected it, right? Um, what else do we have here? We have a resistance area right here that gold tapped into. So we're kind of stuck right now, right? We're stuck in this range. Nasty range. But the range is big enough. It's about 120 pips. Beautiful range, right? Beautiful, beautiful. Jacob, good morning. Jay Martins, good morning, bro. How you doing, man? You guys are shit, right? And then we have another zone sadly right above a previous resistance, right? Now, let's tighten it in real quick. Let's go to the hour. Let's see what's going on the hour. So the hour, right, rejected. The hour is also engulfing, right, which is, you got to keep it in the back of your head. We're engulfing here, right? 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame is rejecting. Keep in mind the 30-minute just opened. Give me a second. Did I send them? Oh, I did. Okay, yeah. I just have to make sure, right? 30-minute is already rejecting to the downside, but it just had opened, right? It's important, right? The first half hour of the candle, or the first 15 minutes, actually had to go up for the next one to drive down, right? Now I just did the opposite. Keep that in mind. I just gave you a nugget, all right? Anyway, now back. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. And what I see on the 15-minute time frame is a resistance, small resistance area right in here. So if the 4-hour candle, right, if the 4-hour candle, no, let's go to the daily first, and let's look at today's daily let's look at the daily candles from the week start to now, right? So the week start on what, the 29th of March, which is Monday. Price absolutely deliberated everyone, stopped me out as well. Took a loss here trying to buy into this very obvious support, which was my mistake, plus my patience was my mistake as well. Then it rejected. Now, yesterday's candle, so you have a rejection candle, right? Keep in mind, this is a rejection candle. Yesterday, if you were on the stream, you might said, well, this candle, the 30th of March, yesterday's candle, it can do two things today, right? We could come down, right? Come down into any of this box area. I kept drawing a box, right? I'm like, it could come down into any of this area, right? And reject. Or it could fill the wick and continue breaking this structure, and we're going to see more downward movement. The daily didn't do that. The daily closed strong bullish. This is a very strong bullish candle in my eyes, right? It left a wick, very strong body. Now, today's candle, what do you think should happen? Now you should be, now you should start cooking your brain. What could happen with today's candle that we could capitalize on, right? What information do we have already looking at the 4-hour candlesticks, right? So, right here, right, price pushed up. He pushed up. We're going to draw a fib, right? Came into the 38.2, right? This 4-hour candle, if this 4-hour candle closes bullish, there is a potential, I always say potential, right, that the next 4-hour candle, so my entry, right, my bias is going to be based on the next 4-hour candle. If we come down and show rejection at the support that it just formed, I'm potentially targeting this area up here, right? This area up here. Now, flipping over to the weekly, you got to keep in mind, the weekly has 1 day to close. And honestly, looking at the weekly close like this, right, and the monthly also is about to close as well today. The monthly is closing above resistance, right, but rejected previous resistance at 1973, right? So if we close above this monthly resistance, the next month candle should pull back to then potentially fill these wicks, or we can take a dump. It's very rocky right now. I'm still in buys I'm still looking for buys until I get a break, an obvious break of this level. Obvious break. This wasn't a break, right? This was just a break below and a rejection closing right back above, right? I'm still looking for buys until further notice, right? Until we get a close below here, obvious runaway, retest, and a continuation, right? Weekly's closing bearish. If this weekly closes bearish and it rejected here, it's gonna get tricky, right? it's going to get very, 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 very tricky. Um, that's why it's important to be patient and wait, right? It's important to wait. Let me get back to the candles, or sorry, fuck. Let me get back to the comments real quick. Doing good. Glad you're doing fabulous. I appreciate I'm doing fabulous today. How? Good morning, bro. We got GDP news today as well. Exactly. Yeah, that was my next topic. So y'all better have a good risk management. Ali, thumbs up, brother. I appreciate you warning them as well. Gold to 1938 or 1948. I'm not gonna tell you. Gold can go wherever it wants, bro. You should do your own research. I just gave you my options of what I'm looking at. Take it or leave it. I got sells around 1915 and buys at 1933. Oh, 1915 and 1933. Very good job. Let's go into Forex Factory. Let's have a look. Ali the Hedger. Alright, so today we have core PCE price index. Right, so they're calling negative numbers on that, which would actually be a positive gold at 2:30 p.m. Now, yesterday we had what was it? CPI, I think. Oh yeah, ADP. Jesus Christ. They called negative numbers and they actually stayed the same. That's why yesterday at 2:15, let's go look. Let's see what happened here. Price actually pushed up, right? I did catch these buys. I did catch buys yesterday as well. So, yeah. It's just very tricky right now at the moment. So, if the 4-hour close is bullish, you're going to have to be very, very, very patient today. Because, well, we could still very, very, whoops, let me get rid of that. We could still come into this 4-hour zone right in here. We still could, man. It's possible, man. If we get a close, right, or if this level doesn't want to hold, where do you think if we break where we're gonna go to next? Well, the next zone. You break one zone, you go to the next one. It's magnetized. That's Forex, right? Excuse me. If we break above here, damn, it did engulf though. 4-hour did engulf, but it couldn't maintain. Right. So if we break above here, right, where do you think eventually we're gonna take profit at? Well, somewhere in between this zone, right? Me personally, I'm probably gonna look at TPs somewhere on these along these wicks. I'm gonna just have to pinpoint that later, right? Let's see if price does want to come up, right? I see area right here that I like, and potentially right here for TP, right? So that's if we are trying to continue higher, right? Now, if you take the lower lows and lower highs in perspective, let's go do that on the 1-hour chart, right? Obviously, on the higher time frames, we're still very, very, very much bullish. So keep that in mind, right? Boom, boom, or low, 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 lower high, lower low, boom, higher low, higher high, right? So we're still in this range, but we did break above the previous, right? The lower low got broke, right? We created a new high, right? A new high, a higher low, a higher high, right? So the trend actually reversed on the hourly. Keep it in mind, guys, on the hourly right here, right? Now we broke above, boom, new support. Support gets tested, runs away, can't break the high. So let's see what happens now, right? No, I'm saying those are my targets. Okay. 1938. Oh, you have, I see. 1938. Let's have a look at my man Chris's targets. 1938. Oh, yeah, 100%. I agree with you 100%. And then let's see 1948. Oh, yeah. You're pushing. You're trying to push up 100%. Good job. it just all depends on this 4-hour close. I'm gonna wait for the 4-hour close. I'm gonna see what price wants to do when there's a little bit of when there's a little bit more volume, because it's 10:47. We are in dead times, right? We are in dead times right now. Now for the people that are interested, where was it at? I'm gonna go over the buys that I took yesterday. All right. Boom. So yesterday we did what right here, right? Yesterday was tricky, right? I said yesterday on stream, you have to wait, you have to be patient now, because what? The daily candle could come down or it could continue higher. If it continues higher, I'm looking for buys, right? So what do we have here yesterday? Oh, sorry. Let's not go there. Let's go here. The 15-minute and look back. Okay. So the yesterday's candle, I was looking at this area right here, right? We had a break of the 15-minute resistance. We had a support formed at the 15-minute of resistance. So now this candle had to actually come back down and reject something to continue higher. Now, it was a bamboozle. It was a fake out right here, right? Because it was engulfing. It doesn't scare me, right? You flip over to the 5-minute time frame, right? You had the trend line. Trend line broke right here. Trend line broke right here. Trend line broke right here, right? Right? Boom. Price broke. I did draw my fib, right? And this was the 50 or the 61.8. High volume time, 1520, 1530, NYSCE open. High volume time. The only thing you're waiting for is the rejection somewhere high or low, and then you're buying it, right? We're already bullish, so where do you think price is going to go? Well, very simple, right? The 4-hour had done closed. This 4-hour candle had done closed. This 4-hour candle closed bullish, breaking the resistance. Now this was just the 4-hour bottom wick to continue higher, right? With volume, what happened? I entered the trade here, long position at the 5-minute doji candle, and I targeted. Whoops. And I targeted there. Oh, I lied. It wasn't 130 pips. Oh, I targeted here, just like that. Right? Just like that. Simple, very simple. Multiple positions where you could have gotten in at. It's just yesterday you had to be very patient. Same thing with today. I'm not entering a trade until I get a close of the 4-hour candle, which means sit back, relax, take a sip of coffee, salute, and wait for price to come to your zone. Show what you wait for price to come to your zone. Wait for price to show what you want price to show you, and then go from there, right? Hey, Zacarias, hello, good morning, I'm gonna catch up on some more Greek words for you, bro. Watch, you're gonna be like, wow, this dude's actually insane, right? Got you, I got you, I got you, right? So that's exactly now the 4-hour time frame. Yo, what's going on, Mr. Jerry, Mr. Alfredo Jerry? So yeah, now 8 minutes left for the 4-hour. Now, keep in mind, where do I for the next 4-hour candle, where do I want to enter at, right? If the next 4-hour candle does show me some rejection, right? Boom. Say the 4-hour candle closes bullish in 7 minutes, which it should. Well, if price comes back down in the 4-hour bottom candle, or the next 4-hour candle bottom wick shows rejection, right? at any of these levels, this 4-hour zone or this 4-hour zone, with the right price action and the right confirmations, I'm willing to risk some of my profits for another continuation buy up, right? But I'm going to be very patient. It's the end of the month. I'm going to sit on my hands, right? You don't have to trade every day. You have to make profits every day, right? So that's exactly what I'm going to be waiting for. Next 4-hour candle close. If the next candle closes, whoops. Let's do this open again. Let's open that again. All right, if the next 4-hour close is bullish like this, wait for the next bottom wick or top wick. We're still in this range, right? But as of the looks, we should continue higher. All right. You fuck with the buy stops and sell stops. I just started using it and it's been very useful. I don't, bro. I don't because I feel like buy stops and sell stops, you can't make a mistake, if that makes sense. Say like you put a I'm just saying, let's just use the most clicheist example ever, right? Let's say you put a sell stop here because it's resistance, the price just keeps going. I don't have any control over that. Say I'm not watching the chart, my sell stops get activated or my buy stops get activated. I really have to market execute on 2 or 3 confirmations that I see to continue, right? And even if I'm in the market or even if I'm in the market execution, I could potentially close it if it's not going in my way, which I won't because I let full thing get hit, but it is what it is. Good morning, Zainab. How you doing? Hey, bro, there's another one of these people. How profitable you are if it's not a secret. You're the same person from yesterday. It's okay, bro. It's okay. It's the same person from, I forget the person from yesterday's name, but he just made a different account and that's it. Same person. That's like asking me my private life. That's not cool, dude. I mean, especially not on YouTube. There's not a lot of people watching. It's only 42 people watching, but I'm not that type of person to show how much I'm making based off, on Forex. What's up, bro? Turn on your mic if you want. All right. You're the same person from yesterday, so I'm just going to block you again. Like I told you yesterday, if you would have came into my DMs privately, probably would have showed you, but I'm not into all that, bro. Right? You look at the lower time frames for entries or confirmations, like the 15-minute, 5-minute, 1-minute, 5-minute, not the 1-minute. I feel like the 1-minute is a little too. So there's like there's a time. It's hard to explain, but I think it just comes with watching it and doing it a lot. It's like when the 5-minute is showing you signs of rejection or a buy or something right before the 15-minute closes, right before the 30-minute closes, and it's all looking good and it's all lining up. That's what I kind of look for, right? So you got the 5-minute. Let's say the 5-minute is rejecting. I'm just saying, bro, like right here, right? And the 15-minute is closing bullish, right? You have confirmations here, right? You have confirmations here. He's trying to use your history to scam people. Oh, he could. I'm not the person, bro. I'm not the person. I could care less what other people think, what I make or what I don't make, if that makes sense, right? But anyway, back to Curious Chris. I like to tie it all together on the 5-minute. But while I'm looking for a trade on the 5-minute, I know what the 4 hours is doing. I know what the 1 hour is doing, and it's all time correlated, if that makes sense. Which, like right now in this 15-minute, I would never buy this 15-minute. I would never buy this 15-minute because the 4 hours is about to close. I made that mistake on Monday. I took a loss. All right, gotta wait for the 4-hour close. Wait for the low of the 4-hour candle to get created. The next low to then continue catch the bottom wick on the 5-minute. The first rejection, second rejection, and that's it. think that's like one of the hardest parts to explain for me. I kind of look at all. Let's just put it like that. I look at all the time frames, bro. Every single one of them. And I keep them all in the back of my head. Like whatever's going on the 5, I know what's going on the 15 and the 30 as well. That makes sense, right? Now it's just a question of waiting. 30 minutes closing bullish. 1 hour is 1 hour did engulf. 1 hour did engulf, but it didn't continue or it didn't close engulfing. It broke the low, but it didn't continue. So it didn't close, or it's not. Looks like it's not closing below yet. So let's just be patient. Sit on your hands. Think day traded is underrated? Um, it's actually coming to light a lot more than you know. Because when I first started trading, I feel like it was the hype, and now it's actually coming alive in a lot of aspects more. And I think it's because of crypto. Crypto kind of blew everything up, right? The Bitcoin going to 60,000, whatever, back like 3 years ago, which kind of got people interested in stuff like this, right? And then they maneuvered from crypto to then venturing out further, and then they got to Forex. Because honestly, growing up, if no one introduced you to this, you would never know what Forex is. If I didn't get introduced to Forex, honestly, I don't think I would know what Forex is. I would know what a financial market is. I just wouldn't know the stamp, quote unquote, Forex. So I got introduced to it by IML. It is what it is. I paid a couple of months and I quit, right? But I'm grateful for that because now it's led me on to, right, doing what I'm doing, helping people, right? Quitting my job, doing this full time. So I'm grateful for that person in IML to actually introducing me to a skill. To then, right? But it's not underrated, bro. A lot of people know about this now. A lot of people know about day trading. A lot. So 4 hour close bullish. Now what? Now what? Two options, right? Come down. We could come down. Reject this daily support area again. Or we could come down and actually just crack and fill the wick. That's the two options as of right now, right? If you're in sales already, you could potentially, if you're in sales from up here, you potentially have a very high. You could potentially catch a break, maybe, right? Maybe. If you're looking for buys and it doesn't give you the price action here, sit on your hands. Sit on your hands. Trust me, sit on your hands. Sometimes that's better to do. We also have news in 3 hours and a half. I believe it was 3.5 hours. Oh no, that's yesterday's news. Let's go to today's news. 2:30 p.m. Yeah. Boom. Now we just gotta wait. Wait for a pullback. Right. Wait for something else to show. Right. Oh man, that was actually a nice entry right here. I totally missed that. I was not on the charts here. Pushed up very nice, man. Gold pushed up very nice this morning. How could I have entered that? Well, one, I know that there's a daily support area right here. Two, it's kind of hard to enter here, honestly. See, 15-minute, 30-minute. The most obvious is the 30-minute. The 5-minute, potentially at the break of this trend line, right? But then I think your break of that trend line stops below 32 pips. 400. That's not bad at all. That is absolutely not bad. Let's look at the 30-minute. Actually gave you the best option to enter, the most safest, the easiest, with 33 pips for then zone to zone, right? Zone to zone. Boom. Just like that. Good morning, Bite Night. How you doing, man? Long time no see. Get my man Ash in here. Yo, good morning, bro. How you doing?
Yeah, not bad. How you doing, man? You okay?
Yeah. Chilling. Just waited for that 4-hour close.
Excellent.
Now we're gonna see if we can catch the bottom wick to continue to fill the top wick. If we can't do that, no trade. But still, most of them won't make it in trading. Yeah, I mean, but what's your? You also have to think like, what is your vision when you see making forex? What is your vision? Are you trying to drive Lambos? Are you trying to show off the forex profits? Are you trying to help people? What is your goal into? What is your passion behind forex? What is your passion behind forex? That's what you have to know. What are you using forex for to influence other things? Right? I could tell you I could answer every single question that I just asked you. Like, what is your vision of making it? Right? My vision in forex, my main thing, mine's being free and living on my own terms. Exactly. You trade New York session only? Wait, hold up. Yep, a lot of hype in Forex now, but most of them aren't serious. They all think it's get rich quick. It's not get rich quick unless you get lucky. Unless you get lucky and you just are just good at it, right? Or someone helps you, like a mentor, really good mentor helps you, right? But still, even with a very good mentor, you need to have the brain power to stay strong, right? Anyway, my reason for oh my god. Yeah, so everyone's chasing the freedom, right? That's exactly why I'm doing this. I'm chasing the freedom. If I'm chasing the freedom and it ends up right, I chased the freedom with this and I've actually got it. Now I need to maintain it. I have the freedom. I quit my job. I have the freedom. I need to maintain it. That's one thing that I chased, but there's the real reason behind the passion, behind my passion is to help younger kids that are bad, right? I've said this before in the streams, but the bad kids that are like 15, 16, going to juvie, messing up, getting in the streets, and right because they don't know anything better, right? Last time I said, if you guys know someone like that, send them to me. I'll help them for free. I really will. That's my goal. The it's to help the person that is actually the teen that's fucking up big time, going to jail, messing up giving his parents stress, fines, stuff like that, right? Not going to school, right? Listening to the wrong people, because if you could lead those people in the right direction, then you make the world better. So if I could take one person, help him, get him from off the quote quote streets into right at home on his laptop, then he won't get in trouble because he's trying to learn this. He knows the potentials behind this. This is like the legal drug deal, right? You open up a trade, you make 10 pips, you make $100, right? It's a legal drug deal. That's if I can print that into someone's mind that's actually drug dealing or messing up, I can change a life. That's what this is for me, right? And in the meantime, yes, it comes with connections. Yes, it comes with more money. Um, yes, it comes with the YouTube stream like you guys, but that's my main goal, right? I could shut down the YouTube right now. I could shut down whatever I'm doing to just help that one or two person, that's exactly what I could do, and I'll do that shit. Trust. And if I send that one or two persons on the way, I did my job. Right? Is it buy now? Get out of here. It's buy when you want. It's buy when you want. It's your button. Press it. Press it. Press it 10 times. Over leverage the buys. Put your stop losses somewhere. Fucking Timmy.
What happened with the Timmy list, bro? I don't see it anymore.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with the Timmy list, bro. I'm done with it. My vision is like to help poor people, bro. That's why I came into Forex. Exactly.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like that man, press it 10 times.
Yeah. Like I want to help. It's helping people, man. It's the community. It's the grind that you put in together with a lot of people, like-minded people, right? That's my goal, right? Respect for you, sir. Thank you, Joe. Appreciate it. Great. Yeah, Ezil. Great, bro. Full margin. Done. Pressed it 10 times. All right, buddy. Good luck. There we go. Let's see. He had to have pressed it somewhere like right here. Let's paper trade that shit. You had to have pressed it like somewhere like where's your stop? Say
If he's pressed it 10 times, man, you might have made a millionaire.
yeah, imagine I mean imagine him actually I've pressed it 10 times and the shit actually flies 300 pips. I'm gonna send you my PayPal. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Zarin. I was spreading the love. I was spreading positivity, the goals, right? I was giving the positive energy, and he's like, "You buy now?" Oh man. Oh Jesus Christ, man, it's insane. Stop loss 1921. Okay, 1921. Let's put that there. It's actually snowing here, dude. Like, isn't that weird? All right, buddy. Trading is illegal bank robbery. Exactly. That's why I'm called bank robber. You know? It is illegal. It's a legal way of making money fast. It's like drug dealing, but it's legal, right? You have a product, you sell the product, right? It takes you 1 minute for a transaction, right? Same thing. You enter a trade, you catch 10, 20 pips, you make the same amount of money, but it's legal and you're sitting at home when it's nice and warm and you don't have to go through all the stress. I have a gold setup right now that's valid so it could go up, but I didn't take it though. Why? But you tried to switch the strategy, didn't you, bro? Tried to switch the strategy. But wait. Mr. Say Shivam, why didn't you put your stops at 1918? That's structure, bro. There's no structure here. Unless you're just clean and you know that we're never gonna come back down here and we're gonna shoot up from here. But you're sitting in a little drawdown, which is totally fine. Where's your TP at actually? Jesus Christ, this dude has a 46 pip stop, so your TP needs to at least be 90 pips, man, for 2-to-1 at least, dude. Jesus Christ. Drop base drop. Ash, remember we was talking about yesterday with the consolidation areas?
Yeah.
Here's like a live example of it. Alright.
That's actually
Playing out right now. So it's hard to find them motherfuckers, but Exactly, and this is my old strategy. I made 3% on EU with my new strategy. You want a chart? Yeah, sure, bro. If you have some nice explanation, sure. I'd love to see what your thinking was. I'm happy for you, Zarin. You said, and what's good about what you said yesterday is you said this isn't working for me. I need help. Well, not like that, but you said this isn't working for me. This waiting for the zone, holding the strategy, right? And you switched it, and you got 3%, right? So you found a mistake, you fixed the mistake. So I applaud you for that, bro. 100%. Great job, bro. 100%. As long as you're making money. TP is 1927.50. What? Oh yeah, you're trolling, bro. You can't have a 50 pip stop loss in a 20 pip TP. You're trolling, bro. I thought you were serious. Let's get rid of the blue lines. Right?
So this is one of those trades, man. Would you have just entered as soon as it went past that last candle?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
You
not
thought that
entering
trade-
this. I'm not entering this trade because I'm looking for buys, and if the buys don't show up, then that's it.
But if it
But
was one of those trades that you talked about yesterday, would you have just entered as soon as it
no,
passed
no, no,
that
no, no,
area?
no. I'm loading up here, right? If I realize, right, for example, let's go here 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
If I realize, and honestly, this consolidation was very short. Right?
Yeah.
Gave you, well, it actually just consolidated for an hour. Let's say if it consolidated for another hour and it's like an obvious consolidation, I'm loading up at these highs of the consolidation. It only gave you one chance, right? But most definitely loading up here somewhere. And you would have to, because it's a 5 minute consolidation, you have to go back down to the 1 minute and then really
Yeah.
see what's going on, right? But yeah, 15-minute closing. Let's see what it does at this support area, support/resistance area. All right. 5 minute, 1 minute. I'm gonna look for Jerry shit. Jerry's gonna look for this. Wait. I got you, bro. 100%. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
I knew it. Jerry's gonna look for that. Jerry the beast. I knew it. He has
I'm
that
just
shit.
waiting for
He
confirmation,
just
man.
yeah. He just has it set up. He just has the chart right there. He's just like sitting back, probably figuring out what mine he's gonna mine next. What are you looking for, bro? Buy or sell? I'm actually looking for buys. No, it was a YouTube question. Yeah, I'm actually looking for buys. Sells are gone already. Sells should have been from at the 4 hours resistance area right here. Now we could talk about how you could have entered those sells. Potentially. It is, right? So let's talk about that. Let's flip time frames. The very conservative sells would have been at the break, but you would have had a higher stop loss or a bigger stop loss. Sorry, 61 pip stop loss. So you would at least have to target down here. Very much possible. The sells that I potentially would look for is you have a support area here before it turned resistance, right? First it was support, right? Don't look at the 955 candle, right? First it created support, then it broke the support, right? Could have entered here, 30 pip stop, And that's actually the only entry that I would get in, right? Which would be at the open of this candle that pushed up with stops above 27 pips ish, and go for a 2-to-1. Right, leave a runner, 2-to-1, 3-to-1. That's the only thing I'm looking for, or that I would have actually entered on the 1 minute. I don't like to enter on the 1 minute that much. It honestly just didn't give you nothing. Just gave you a bunch of consolidation. And then once you broke the consolidation here on the 1 minute, you could have gotten in as well. Right? Somewhere here. And 30 pip stop. Finally done. Okay, let's have a look. Love from Kenya. Love from Belgium, bro. Kenya. Dope, man. Give me a second, Zara. I want to see what it does at this level real quick. And I'm going to turn on the heat because it is snowing and I have my heater turned off. It's very cold, actually.
We've got snow. We've got a little bit of snow as well.
What was that? Oh, whoops. So yeah, I want to see what it does right here at this area. Oh, Jesus. Let it come down a little bit more. I thought you lived in the U.S. Love from Denmark then? Yeah, I moved, bro. I used to live in Colorado, Denver. Right, so I moved. Yeah, I can actually miss. I mean, I can miss the setup, but I don't want to. Because it's. Ooh. I like the way you move. Might be a little too early, but it might not be. Yeah, it's too early. 10-minute, 15-minute candle just opened. Scratch that. Let's take a look at the chart. Copy. See my man's switched his strategy. Probably bought the high or something, sold the low. Exactly, yeah. All right, stop loss just above the candle. I activate my sell. Support with the cleanest range below. Clean range from the support. Sold below with an impulse entry below support. TP at most previous support. Proud of you, bro. And I'm you know what? You know why? Is because the man said I can't trade like you guys, right? I can't trade with like buying when the candle's red. And he switched it up. Made 3%, bro. Very good job. It's rejecting 76 level. Yeah, I'll let it come down deeper. The 15-minute candle just opened. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, bro. Much love, bro. Very good job. Very good job. Very good job. So, what if you like more, US or EU? Honestly, bro, I love the life in America. Like, there's always something to do. It never sleeps. You know, just many more opportunities and possibilities. But in Europe, I love the food. I kind of got used to the quiet, more slow living. Healthcare systems out here are way better, right? So it kind of depends on what type of person you are. But I do see myself going back to the States, living there, right? Making kids in America. Not here. Well, maybe in Spain, but not here where I'm at right now. No. No, no, no.
Making kids or having kids, it's two different thing.
No, I'll make them and have them.
Okay.
I'll make them and take care of them, yeah. Well, just because I'm black, Jerry?
No. I mean, making kids is like the process of the making. Having kids is like giving birth to kids, man.
a good one. That was a good laugh. Where are you now? In my house, bro. I just turned the heater on. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm in Belgium, bro. Based in Belgium. Very small country in Europe. It's next to the Netherlands, next to Germany. It's very close to France. Or Paris, sorry.
You're looking into the Thomas Crello Trading Academy, man.
Thomas Crello. What?
I was seeing your advertising that comes up because Mauritius was coming up all the time the other day.
Yeah, now it's Thomas Crello. Latina? Oof. Yeah, I had a rough history with the Latinas, bro. Colorado. I'm good. They're fucking crazy. They're very pretty, but they're very crazy. But that's not Forex related, so let's not jump to that topic. Should we buy? That's on you, brother. If you want to buy, have fun, manage your risk. I'm waiting a little bit longer. Let's see if we could get a jump, if we could get a touch of this. If we get a touch of that, I'll see what we're doing. All right. Should we buy, Mr. Eddie said? Let's look at the daily, how the daily's forming. Yeah. Let's look at the 15-minute. Let's wait for volume as well to kick in. So, alright, what's going through my mind is, you see how the candles coming up here, right? They're big candles, big bodies. Then it kind of slows down right here. So, from right here, this area, sorry, is where you see the candles lose momentum, right? You see the bodies becoming smaller. You see more wicks. So what that's telling me is that the sellers are losing interest, right? So now the only thing that we're actually waiting for is a confirmation is as to where to think like, okay, is the 4-hour candle bottoming out? Are we trying to catch the bottom wick on the 4-hour to continue higher, right? But I'm paying attention to the candles now and how they're playing out at this state of time. Or if you ever come to visit Denmark, hit me up. My best friends and I have an apartment in Artus. You can stay for free. Man, that's love. I appreciate it. But I'm the type to really hit you up. So I'm crazy like that, bro. I'll be like, yeah, remember you said that on the YouTube, man? Let's do it. Nah, probably. We are both 22. I'm not 22, bro. Oh, you and your partner? Okay. Yeah, you're a little bit younger than me. Just a little bit, though. But yeah, candles are losing momentum, though, right now. So let's see how the candles actually play out. Coming into this lower zone and then into my area of interest. And then if you look at the lower time frames, like the really lower time frames, you start like seeing the little signs already, right? Slowly telling you like it's engulfing on the 1 minute, right? It's second rejection on the 5 minute, right? I just don't feel comfortable with this. It's no clear sign of direction right now. So you just gotta be you just gotta be patient now, dude. Like that's it, man. Just wait, sit on your fingers, dude. I was impatient in the beginning of the week. I clapped twice. Made it all back yesterday. Plus some. Where's the awards on point? Mr. Fruits, man. Jesus Christ, how you doing, buddy? How are you doing today, man? Good to see you back, bro. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's It's been a while. After I got sick, a lot of people haven't been coming to the stream like that. After I got sick. Mr. Fruits. Right, 1 hour candle. First half hour of the 1 hour candle has been coming down. Now let's see what the second half hour does. Let's mark off this 1 hour candle. Low. Ash, this is for you. I'm fine, man. Thanks, bro. I had yesterday a very good day. 5K one trade. Jesus, let me send you my PayPal, man. I'm just kidding. Very good job, man. Oh, no. No. No, no, no. Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh, this man, I fucking love this dude, man. He made me laugh that day, man. Ah, man, I love you, bro. What's your name? So I don't have to call you Sales, bro. Give me your nickname or something. I'm not gonna call you Sales One. That's weird. What's good, player? This dude, Guadalupe, fuck out of here. Oh, this man's a legend. I swear to God. Alright, look, anyway, let's get serious real quick. Very nice 15-minute candle close here. Very nice. Logan. Oh yeah, Logan Nita. Yeah, Logan Nita. What's going on, buddy? How you been, man? How you been? How you been? Very nice 15-minute close here coming up as well. Very nice. Very, very, very nice 15-minute close. Now, what am I thinking now? Let's wait for the next 15-minute candle to come down again. Wick, reject again. Oh, this is not as nice. And then we'll see if we could buy. Right?
That's a hammer candle, isn't it?
Something like that. Yeah. Let's see if the 15-minute candle comes down to reject. Loganita. Oh, there it goes. It's not ready yet. Let's wait for the 15-minute candle to reject. And let me tell you why. Because you see the 30-minute candle? Look at the 30-minute candle close. Right? So now we want to see another 30-minute candle. And then, okay, so now think of it like this, right? Say this 30-minute candle comes down and rejects again. And then breaks the high of the 15-minute candle. Very good confirmation. If it doesn't, then shit. Assed out, man. I think I'm about to be a little bit more patient here. If it runs away, then I'm out of luck. I'll be right back. I want it to come back down here. Let's see. I'll be right back. 1 minute. All right. I am back officially. Oh, Logan Neath, I'm good, bro. Small profits. Then account blown. Dope to see you streaming. Just subbed. Stop over risking, bro. It's that simple. Got like 5 buy stops ready. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hi, Ad. Yo, what's going on, Mr. Nguyen? I got too confident and over risk like motherfucker. Need discipline. Yeah, see. And my stop loss at 1922.48. Well, if you know that when you over leverage, you lose, then don't over leverage. Exactly. I want a deep price for enter long. I think that's what we all want, good sir. I think that is what we all want. Christopher Sudrabs, what's going on, buddy? How you doing, bro? I like the way you move. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see what Price wants to do in this area. I took counter sales to reduce risk. Whichever direction it bursts, I will take TP. Will this be okay? As long as you're making money, bro. As long as you're making money, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. If you're in sales and you wanna buy here, that's all on you, bro. As long as it works. I'm not here to tell you how to trade, bro. I'm just here to give you pointers and tips. That's it. Mhm. Why do I see like a big double bottom forming? I just saw that, man. Like, is that just me or I just saw that? I'm looking there. I'm like, what? It could potentially play out as well. Cool, bro. Feels good to take some tips. Yeah, bro. France music is really good for trading. Why? I can't understand it. Point. What is the point, brother? What is the point? So it looks like this trade's gonna wait for the 30-minute to play out. Let's see what's popping here. Let's go gold 1950 New York. Whoa, flying, baby. Why do you say 1950, bro? I mean, it's probably zone or something, but why specifically 1950? I'm curious, bro. Put me on game. Put me on game. I do kind of agree with you. I just wouldn't say 1950. I'm looking, if I am targeting buys, I'm taking them to 1932, probably 1938, 1958, 1958. Let's have a look at my man, Larry Globe. Oh, you have the same TP as me, long-term TP. These are probably runners if I do get in for buys. Da, 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 da. Yo, Mitch, what's going on, bro? Give me a second. Copy. I believe that we will flip that weekly candle bullish. It's gonna be hard, bro. It's all possible. I just want to see it happen first. I'm not gonna speculate it. I'm not gonna, let's watch it happen first. You know what I mean? Everything's possible, but let's watch it happen. We can start drawing this one already. No, not yet. Doesn't look good yet. Chilling, bro. Chilling. Waiting, trying to see if there's something wants to play out here. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour. Oh, that's the 2 hour. 18 minutes left. What could be the effect of the news today? Honestly, bro, it's gonna depend on the numbers. They're calling negative numbers, so if this comes at like negative 0.3, you might see a spike in gold going up. Mini news today. I only see one thing on gold, if I'm not mistaken. Well, red folders. I don't look at probably the orange folder. Chicago PMI, they're calling positive numbers, which means negative gold, right? But I normally like to pay attention to the red folders, bro. Right. 15-minute closing in 1 minute. It's just slowly rejecting. It's just lollygagging. So let's just be patient. See what it wants to do. Depends more actually. Yeah, exactly. Mini news today depends more how actually the forecast goes. Yeah, bro. 100%. 100% agree. Yeah. I'm in this motherfucker.
What's up?
I'm in this motherfucker. Woo! Let's see how it wants to play out. I like the way you move. Doo-doo-doo. What's up, Mitch? How you doing, bro?
Right, how are you?
Chilling. on this beautiful, what's today? Wednesday or Thursday?
It
Thursday.
is
Yep.
Thursday.
Yep. Bro, what happened to the trading lounge? It was good times with Michelle, Cody, Mitch, AJ, everyone doing their own thing now. I have contact with the ones I want to keep contact with. For the rest, Mitch is in here right now. You know, one of AJ's students is in here right now. So the people that we wanted to keep contact with actually clicked up and found each other again. That makes sense. So, but yeah, we're just chilling, man. We're just chilling, bro. You know how I go. You know how we do things around here, man. Whoa. Whoa, I like the way you move. Ba-dum-bum. What do you think happened to all those IML scammers? Honestly, bro, to be honest with you, the people that recruited me, they're still in IML. So they're still in there pushing hard. But the difference was when I got recruited to IML, I did get recruited to, luckily, to the side of the quote unquote business that was actually trading. Like the people that recruited me, they didn't need the signals. Like they already knew how to trade. That was my luck. And they're actually still very much trading every day. It's just they're recruiting to make more, profits for themselves, I guess.
There's still probably 100 people dumb enough to still pay that bullshit.
I mean, yeah.
Despite how trading has become a trend since
Yep.
coronavirus.
Yeah, we were just talking about that. Yeah, 100%. We were just talking about that. But, yeah, I mean, look, you should already know how I get down. I'm happy with everyone, how they make their own money. So if people want to market something to make money and they're getting paid from it, that's on them, buddy. People that recruited me 2 years ago still in IML and still don't know how to trade. Nah, the people that recruited me actually know how to trade. It's actually they really know how to trade. Like they taught me a lot as well. Well, not a lot. They taught me like the stepping stones, but yeah. When will volume kick in and how to know that? Well, there should be another volume push in an hour. Right now it's setting up for that volume push. Is that Mitch? Yeah, that's Mitch. That is Mitch. Like I said, the trading lounge, there's a couple people that I kept contact with. And the rest of them, I don't know nothing about them. Don't ask me nothing about them. If you don't see them around me, they're not with me. Right? They're not I don't know how to put it. Mitch, help me, bro. Then this dude just started laughing. Fuck you. He said, oh man. What's up, bitch? They asking about you.
What up? Oh, that's happiness. What up, B? I do not stream no more. Fuck that shit. I too many people in my DMs. I don't like it. Fuck that. Too many nosy people when I was streaming. Everybody wanted to know my bank account size and my lot sizes. This way, I don't gotta worry about the feds trying to fucking hit me with fucking tax evasion, guys.
And with the Rico.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a New York thing. Hit him with the Rico. No, that's a Philly thing. Who came out with that Rico song? Meek Mill. Yeah, that's the person that came out with that Rico shit. Meek Millie. Are you in a buy? Maybe, bro. I can't tell you that. Long time, man. Yeah. Whatever happened, I'm still grateful. If not for you guys, I'm clueless. Oh, that's dope. Yeah, bro. I used to watch old streams and hear Guala catching 5-minute trades and be envious as fuck. Now I get to watch the pro live, listen and learning. Yeah, I used to catch those motherfuckers like crazy. I still do. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. I still catch them motherfuckers. Are you in a buy? Maybe. I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you anyway. I'm not here to teach you. I'm not here to give you, I'm not here to give you signals, bro. Right? 5-minute king, 100%. So I started being a 5-minute king. Now everyone's the 1-minute king. I'm not stepping down to that. They can have that title.
Yeah, the 1 minute's fucking crazy, bro.
Yeah, they can have that title, bro. I'm just chilling where I'm good at, bro. There's a Timmy list. There's not one today, even though there was one Timmy, but I didn't put him on the list. Let's see. The 1 hour is flipping right now, actually. 8 minutes till close. You have been analyzing for an hour and tell people how you're going to enter, and people are still asking. Yeah, tell me about it. But it could also be like the new people that just joined and didn't get the analysis, right? But there's plenty of opportunities that people could get in for buys, man. I mean, we'll go over them later. Huh?
It's not any good ones. Good one already left the station.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I don't like missing a bus a lot, Mitch. I thought you knew me already right now, dude.
Yeah, nah. Gotta walk that fucking mile up. It's a stressful if we miss it at the first station. We back to support here.
Yeah. See what he said? There's maybe new people, but Lynn's be just having an attitude for no reason. Lynn's? Who's Lynn's? I don't think no one's having an attitude. I don't know. I mean, see what is. Is there someone in here named Lynn's? Or am I just tripping? Oh.
I think we tripping.
Nah, because they're.
Yeah, no, I was reading it. I just scrolled up.
Oh, okay. No. Yeah, I'm looking like, is there someone that's named Lynch in here? Baby Mitch. Ooh, he called you Baby Mitch. Baby Mitch.
He's good. My son.
Damn. I still have that nasty cough, man, after being sick. Still have it to today. I might have to get that checked out, bro.
Jesus. Did you ever get tested?
Nah, I didn't ever get tested, bro. I didn't ever get tested.
Cause my mom, she had a cough for like 2 months. She couldn't get rid of. She fucking mad clean test, but her cough, that shit was fucking. You got asthma?
No, maybe. No, I don't think so.
Oh, nah, cause she had asthma, and that shit just made it worse and shit. Like she had a cough, nasty ass cough, for a minute after she had that shit.
Yeah, twice. I mean, I have a cough as well. Like, it's just crazy. Like, I've been sick. I just got sick like the beginning of the month. And bro, I just been ever since then. I just been coughing. Like, it's crazy. Okay, no, bro. There's a streamer called Linz. I used to watch her before when I was bored, and she gives every single question a very rude and sarcastic answer. I mean, that's her, bro. If she wants to be rude and sarcastic, and people like that, then it is what it is.
Maybe people are just too sensitive. This is not being rude.
I like the way. But I like someone be just tuning in and could be asking how did you take that trade, and she'd be like, "Didn't you listen?" Oh yeah, that's messed up.
Yeah, and I mean, but coming from someone who streams, hearing the same fucking question every day, all day, that shit do be annoying, man. But
I mean, yeah, that's what you gotta. It all comes with it, like right. The questions that people ask are very irritating as well, right? But I knew that, you know, coming into this business, people are gonna ask me my bank account number, my PIN code, right? They're gonna be all up in my grill. But is that something you just gotta make fun of and push out the way? I mean,
yeah, I respect
yesterday
that.
you should
That's why I'm
have
here.
been on the stream yesterday, bro. Jesus Christ, this one dude, he caught me on my bed. He caught me
you lost your
bad,
shit.
bro. I flipped on him, bro. I was like, you motherfucker, bro. Get the fuck out of my shit. And he came back this morning with a different account. And I just blocked him. I didn't even give him no energy. But yesterday, man, Jesus Christ, bro.
Can you completely block people 100%, like they can't come back on, or
I'm actually not sure.
you should
Yeah,
be
you
able
could
to
ban them from the station, but it doesn't stop them from creating a new
a new account? Yeah, totally.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Because there was someone from the other group that had like 10 fucking joints because I kept fucking banning his ass.
Yeah. And they're actually very, 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 like, they'll just keep going. Like, they wouldn't care. Bro, come to New Zealand.
Time on their hands, eh?
Come to New Zealand. I'll host you. Nah, bro. New
Shit,
Zealand.
fuck it. I'll come to New York. I'll host you.
Yeah.
You in
Got
New
options.
York?
Yeah, I'm in New York.
Whereabouts are you in New York, man?
In Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Buffalo. Okay.
Yeah, no city life for me. I mean, this is the second fucking biggest city, but you know.
I lived in New York for a little bit, man.
Yeah, New York is crazy. I don't know why people get fucking vehicles when they live there.
Loganita, chill out, bro. Hold your horses, Loganita. Watch.
I lived in New York for a little bit, Mitch.
Oh, nice.
In the city or?
Yeah, I lived. I was actually on Cornelia Street, just off Bleecker Street, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like so, right in the West Village.
Yeah.
What? 72 Watson, only 24. Bro, you guys should already know how I am. If people genuinely don't like the stream, I'm not gonna ask them to like the stream. If you don't genuinely like what you see, dislike the shit, right? You guys should already know that.
Yeah.
I really don't care about. I mean, it's cool that the people take time out. Like the people that genuinely like the stream, they like the stream. It's cool. I appreciate that. If you don't genuinely come in and be like, yeah, I like this dude, I don't even want it, right? That makes sense. Cause then that's just fake love. So now I know there's 28 real supporters here, and 73. The other 48 probably just want a signal, which you're not gonna get, right? Cause I'm chilling in profits right now.
I can't stop reading this fucking thing. That's just crazy.
What?
The spell check, man, says, yo, come on, guys. Give this guy some love. He comes here to touch us.
But Fruit's a cool dude, man.
No,
Fruit's a cool
he
dude,
definitely
man.
is.
Fruit's
but
a cool
he definitely misspelled that word and it totally took that sentence fucking left.
Fruits cool as hell, man. I fuck with Fruits. He always positive. He come in here like, yeah, what up, bro? How you doing, man?
Yeah,
Chilling.
definitely.
He cool dude. He cool people, man. Brighton Beach in New York next. What is that? Brighton Beach best? The other 48 want to know if we buy. I mean, yeah. Okay, so now let's break this down real quick, right? For the people that's new, for the people that's been here, update on the trade, what potentially could happen now, right? This is what you should do every time you're in a trade, right? So we've discussed this level, right? Which was then actually, right, if you want to pinpoint it, which was a 15-minute resistance. Now, price didn't fully touch into this area, right? It kind of gapped it. And in scenarios like this, right, you could either or do two things, right? You could, one, count it as a touch. Just give me a second. Someone's knocking on my door like they're the police.
Brighton Beach in Sydney.
It was a mailman. It was a mailman.
About to shoot the mailman. The fuck you knocking on my door?
Dubs, QMT, Dubs. Right. Anyway, back to, oh man, why is it coming down off of this area or here? Okay, just making a 30-minute bottom wick. Anyway, right, where was I? Now, we did have like a break and retest scenario if you want to pull a fib out, right? Fib came into the 76.40. First confirmation, Zaynab pointed that out. Good job. Second confirmation, honestly, in this range, there wasn't any confirmations. Well, two confirmations on the 5-minute. One was this resistance here, and this candle closing above, right? Which means we get a break structure, which means that we could potentially continue going. Now, mind you, the 15-minute was rejecting, right? Now, this 15-minute candle, this one right here, did tell it all. This 15-minute candle did tell the push up, right? Because this is a, whatever you want to call it, pin bar, I don't know what it's called, right? It's a reversal candle, right? 30-minute close very much bullish, and then the 1 hour flipped bullish after rejecting. Now, with this 1 hour candle, what could potentially happen? Well, this 1 hour candle could come down like it's doing now, come right back into the area that it just left from and reject again. Or what you see a lot of times is somewhere halfway into this area and reject again, right? Or, as we did create support, it could just stay right here, reject that support for a half hour, and then when volume comes, continue higher. I don't think that's the case scenario. I think we're going to just come right back right here for potential price going up, potentially, right? 1 hour close rejecting, 4 hour did exactly what I, anticipated to. I wanted to come down to the blue line, but it didn't do that. We still have 3 hours for the 4 hour close, so keep that in mind. Damn, it's only been an hour since the 4 hour opened. Right? And now we are rejecting this 5-minute area. Right? But I think it's more like the 30-minute bottom wick to continue higher because there's no The only support that we have is exactly at this 5 minute, but it shouldn't be that much of an issue once volume kicks in at some minor zone. Hopefully clear the highs. It should. Could clear the lows as well. It could clear the highs and it could clear the lows. You know what I always say? I always say the candle, whatever the candle's doing, is not worth anything till it closes, right? See, like this previous 4 hour candle engulfed. And engulfing isn't worth anything because it didn't close engulfing, right? It just engulfed at the time, but it didn't, So, yeah, now you just gotta wait, be patient, see what happens. If you're in the trade, stick to your plan. If you're not in the trade, you might get a re-entry, right? So, or you might get your stop loss tapped. Police trying to catch the real bank robber. Yeah, I didn't do nothing, so. Hey, Feds ain't got nothing on me. Hopefully clear the highs. Butt plug FX. Bro, that name sounds so sus, bro. You should change it. I'm just reading. I'm like, what? Butt plug FX. Jesus, bro. What the fuck is wrong with your name, bro? What the? Oh, man. With all due respect, bro, I appreciate you coming in here, but butt plug? Your name is Butt Plug. This name's Pimpin' Pips. Oh, I like that, actually. I like that. Man, what's up with these crazy names, bro? I love it, man. You guys are the shit. Guala, I'm a graffiti artist. Would you be interested in anything in bank robber piece? All good if not. If so, where should I send the designs to? That's actually pretty dope. Send me a DM, bro. I'll support your gigs. I'm not paying shipping though, cause that shit. Oh no, you're in Europe. You're in Europe. I thought you were in America. I keep forgetting. Shipping is in America from Europe is fucking expensive, dude. Send me a DM, bro, on Instagram or Telegram. That is when you over sicking. You get butt plug risking. Oh, yeah, bro. Fruits, you do. Fruits, you do gotta watch that spelling, cause boy, laugh my ass off. I'll send digital design. What? I don't understand, bro. Oh yeah. I mean, yeah. I get it now. Right. I'll send digital design. Yeah. That's dope. That is dope. My English is bad as hell. That's alright, bro. Shit. I'm just saying, like, you need to install a plugin on Google Chrome, like English spell check or some shit. I got you, bro. No worries. No worries at all. You on Telegram? Yeah, bro. I have a little free group chat that I have, yeah. Now you just kind of want to wait for the volume to kick in, right? Now you want to wait for the people that are in the buys. You want to wait for the volume to kick in. And hope your stop doesn't get tapped before that. Let's pay some bills. Scalper.
Let's pay some bills.
You want to pay my bills?
This is brought to you by Bic Lighter.
Mr. Scalper, you want to pay my bills, bro? I'm cool with that. You want to pay my bills?
Yeah, I would love to get a sponsorship from Raw Rolling Paper. So, Raw, if you're listening,
I think
send me some
Scalper's
free fucking papers,
I think Scalper's about to pay my bills, bro. Oh, I thought you were trying to be generous, man. I thought you were trying to be generous and pay my bills. I thought you made a good trade, and you're like, you know what? Let me help him out. Let me just pay him bills, man. That'd be pretty dope.
Yo, I really thought you was about to throw a sponsorship, a commercial in here. Today's live stream is brought to you from.
Scalper about to pay. Let me send you. I'm gonna send you my PayPal, Scalper. Just send me a DM on Instagram. I got you, bro. Don't worry about it. I got you. Don't worry about it. What's the name of the group? I'll send in the link at the end of the stream, bro. It should be somewhere down in the. Man, my description's all fucked, dude. My description's fucked. Let's pay some bills. Anyone got signals? Loganita, not like that, bro. You can't. I can't. I don't give signals, man. You guys know the drill with me.
I'll give you one signal. Price is gonna go to the right.
Consolidation fest, huh?
Nah. It's just the next candle's gonna print on the right side of the other candle.
Oh, I get it. I get it. Now there's two things that it could do, right? Price could come down to the 30-minute, reject, flip up, or price could just tank and come to these lows, 1919. Right? But we do have resistance on the 5-minute. Mind you, it's 5 minutes minor. Resistance, that's a potential pullback area for price to continue higher. Rest. Continue. Mitch is saying 1867. Mitch wants to sell. Damn, boy. What the fuck you doing down there, bro?
That's where my TP is.
1867, huh? I think you'll get that next week.
It depends man.
It depends on the weekly close, you know what I mean?
Because I'm gonna have to close it pretty soon because I'm tired of paying fucking swap fees. But I really want to hit 2,000.
Yeah. I think next week might be the move to come down. I don't think it's this week. This dude's trying to do stocks prices. I'll let you think.
Damn, dude, you got that song stuck in my head. I like the way you move. Mm-mm-mm.
All right.
Are you serious? Biden's team is considering releasing a large amount of oil to prevent fucking inflation. Fucking stupid, you fucking stupid ass. Fucking gas is like fucking $5 a gallon. Inflation has already happened.
Yeah, inflation's
Motherfucker.
been you Americans fucking Biden fucking everything up.
The fuck, man. Yeah, Americans do buy everything from you.
1920, good one to buy. If not, we can see price go to 1930. Feel some imbalance. End of the month and quarter, all these rinky ball whales be taking profits. Why is there similar movement in silver and gold most of the time? I honestly think it's because they're both kind of like safe havens, so they kind of move the same. I can't give you a good explanation for that, bro. Honestly, I think it's because they're both safe havens, but I could be very wrong. All right, Zarin, bro, I appreciate you tuning in, bro. Have a good day, bro. Have a good rest of your day. We're gonna see Rocket on Friday potentially. We can see everything could happen right now. You know what I mean? NFP shit is chance to end the month, but we're gonna see. Right? Yeah. I'm not trading NFP and I'm staying out the market as well with NFP. So
I
NFP's tomorrow,
fucking
isn't it?
yeah. Yes. I gotta open up my
Cowboy
NFP
account.
account. Yeah, definitely. I
Man.
put fucking $1,000 in that bitch and fucking like a year and a half ago. We just been that's the only account I open during when I do news. Big news. The little bullshit, like the one I took yesterday, I think it was yesterday morning off ADP. That was a little bullshit, but
Holding any cryptos, bro? Yeah, not a lot though. Got some
you got
Ethereum,
that
some VeChain, a
that
little bit of
Shiba.
Bitcoin. Nah. A little bit of Ripple, Cardano. The main cryptos, bro. You know, the mainstream cryptos. But yeah, Loganita, if you send me a DM, bro, I'm most definitely help you with your business, bro. 100%, bro. It's all love. La Casa de Papel of Gold. Mr. Scalper is the La Casa de Papel of Gold, guys. Right? I'm just waiting for volume to kick in. That's it. What do you think of Chronos? I don't know nothing about that, bro. I'm not really deep diving into, like, I don't research crypto. I don't, I research the coins that I invest in, and that's about it. And I don't even do deep research, right? I just look at their idea and I think to myself, save crypto would be something. Does this have any valuable for the people in the future? If that answer is yes, then I invest a little bit in it. And if the answer is no, then I just leave it. And I always buy the dip. So I'm buying the dip. Like,
Yeah.
cryptos are fucking cheap as hell right now. You just gotta buy it eyes closed if you wanna make some profits. Second entry. Last night gold smacked me like Smith slap. I made some profits on gold yesterday. Tuesday gold slapped me. That big drop, this drop.
You got slapped with gold
Yeah, bro, this big drop slapped me.
last night. And
No.
during Asian, I'm assuming, right, Scalper? What time frame are you on? So we know what your last night is, right? Because that's very vague.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. There we go. Gold's pushing, baby. Push. Push. Little. All right. So at this point, my stops are going to be My stops are going to BE.
Yeah, I had a pretty good night last night in Asian. Sorry if that was I was just looking back at the trade scope because I was waiting for you to tell me what your time frame is. So I could see you last night for you, but you never put it in. You put 15 minutes in. So
Let's see here. Ooh. I like the way you move. Boom. Can I get copyrighted for singing that shit? Actually,
Nah, it's a different rendition.
oh,
It's the Guala edition.
it's the Guala edition. That's actually a very good song, though. Crypto has no underlying asset. I mean, I made some money off of it. I'm not gonna say that I made like tens and thousands of dollars. I made some money off of crypto. Withdrew to my bank account. So I mean, as long as
As
it pays
millionaire,
me
so.
and it comes to my bank account on time, and it's good. Sounds of MT5. It's MT4. Putting my stops at break even. Playing with the TP a bit. Trying to see, because you know, like on MT4, if you put like your TP here, you can see how much you make. So it's just baiting on that. I'm already good in profits, man. Chilling.
Remember. Yo, we're gonna eat at least fucking 50% of this fucking wick before fucking crashing on the 4 hour.
Possibly. MT4 is outdated? Really? I mean, I've been using MT4 since the start. So, I mean, right? Ooh, we're looking very, 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 very beautiful here, guys. Very beautiful trade here. The trade's a victory already. I'm chilling. Coming up to my 2-to-1. Chilling, man. Green line's my 2-to-1 RR. MT4 or nothing. This dude. My sell limit is at 1931. Okay. Jesus, you guys are. Let's have a look. Where should I TP at? Ooh, 1931. It's the zone I marked off. What do you think? I don't know, bro. I mean, honestly, I'm just almost done with my trade. Whatever happens after that, I don't give a shit. Honestly, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Way to finish the month, man.
Yeah. It's the end of the month, bro. I mean, if you're in a winning trade, close the month off with a dub, man, to start next month good, right?
Oh, it's the end of the quarter too, right?
It's the end of the quarter, it's the end of the month. Chill out, bro. So if I win my trade here, or if it gets stopped at break even, I don't give a fuck. You can sell it, you can buy it. You know, I'll give you advice. But I would have to see, you know, I never use stop losses or sells and buy stops because I can't control what price does, right? Say you put a sell stop here, bro. Right? You said what, 1931? Say you put a sell stop here. Let's make this color purple. Just for the thing, right? Say that's your sell stop. Say price comes into that area and just blasts straight through it. Say price just blasts straight through it. Then your sell stop's fucked and you're gonna get stopped, right? That's why I don't really, if that makes sense, do that. I need to manually see what happens. I need to manually pay attention to my trade. You know what I mean? I need to manually see my confirmations before I enter the trade. Right? I could give you my confirmation of this trade right here. There was a couple, but I entered on one main confirmation. Need on-screen magic keys though? Yeah, they're pretty good, man. Damn, my buy stops triggers with the momentum. Oh man, this dude's probably bought here, huh? See some rejection? Got your confluence shit. You're right. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Who the fuck is buying all the way the fuck up here?
He got 12 pips though. You know, so I can't actually. I don't like buying sell stops. Like,
Yo, why this shit coming in so slow?
Bro, what do you think of GJ? Give me a second, bro. I kind of want to see this 5 minute close here, or I want to see what it does when the 5 minute prints. I got you. Give me a second. I honestly haven't traded GJ in like 2 years, so I'm gonna look at GJ. Right, engulfing trader, I guess. Man, market execution gang. Yeah, I mean, I just feel like I'm more in control of my trade, if that makes sense. Right. Let's have a look real quick. Let's have a look at GJ for my mans real quick. Now, keep in mind, bro, I don't trade GJ anymore. I don't know how it moves. I could just give you like some pointers. All right, let's get rid of all this stuff. Now, honestly, GJ is very bullish as of what I see right now. But on the other side, I feel like it needs to pull back. I think it needs to pull back, right? The weekly came up, rejected. Honestly, I think next week you might see push up to continue down, but I feel like GJ needs to rest now before the next leg up. Because look, it's been just continuously going up, right? So, yeah. I would honestly, with GJ, I would actually try and look for more, I would be on a more short side, even though it's bullish. But I feel like it needs to pull back. Honestly, that's what I think of GJ. Just very vague, very discreet, right? Right, it already looked like it wanted to break here. It couldn't break already 2 days in a row. Looks like it's holding. So I feel like it needs to pull back. And I feel like sells are counter trend trading, yes, but I feel like you could most definitely benefit from some shorts.
Too cold for shorts, man.
I feel like it's GJ's just like way, way, way bullish. It's just been going up for like 3 weeks
Ever.
now. Yeah, like what? It's like way. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 8, 9, 10. Right, like 2 weeks bullish without like a pullback. So yeah. So you trade GJ? No, bro. Not anymore. I used to though. Come on, man. Green line's my. No! Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that, man. That shit say yeet 2-1 my ass, boy.
I'm gonna say you stop your TPs. Where?
Skirt.
You're gonna get it though.
Oh, it's about to bamboozle me out of my 2-1, bro.
I think. I mean, even so, if it don't, you just sleep on
Is
at
it
least
gonna
to my
bamboozle me out of my 2-1?
at least to my 50 EMA.
Is it going to bamboozle me out of my 2-1? It literally got there and didn't even tap me out either. 2 pips for my 2-1.
Did you close
Wow.
anything, or you was taking that a full?
I got full TP at 2-1.
Hey.
Yeah, that shit kind of just fucked me over if it rejects now. I should be good. 15 minutes closing very strong. 30-minute is closing very well as well. It's just this top wick. 1 hour has 30 minutes. Volume should come in about 30 minutes, and we should be good.
I think you'll get there before then.
Wow, it kind of just like 2 pips, man. What? 2 pips to my TP, man. What a bitch. Fuck you, whore. Now that I said that, it's gonna be like, yeet. The green line is your sell limit? No, bro. The green line is my TP. Take your profits before it goes to 1916. I have my ways of managing the trade, bro. 1916, you say, huh? Damn, you guys are trying to make price go low, low, low. I have my ways of managing risk, bro. It's a clean candle on gold. Don't come at me with that shit.
Oh shit. You may get some pullback in this because there was a OB created on the 15 minutes, so I might want to go test it.
Yeah, I saw that as well. I don't want that deep of a pullback though. I'll probably cut my trade before that. It's the end of the month.
True.
Sell it then. Sell it then, boy. Clean candle on gold. I will hit risk. It will hit risk free. I'm already risk free, bro. Now it's gonna drop down. 1916 on the way, please. Yeah. I hope you hit your TP, bro. 1916. After this big 15-minute bullish candle, I hope you get your TP. Dude, this isn't a rejection, man. This is not a rejection wick. You guys think this is a rejection wick? Then let me ask you what is this then? What is this? If you guys think this is a rejection wick, what do you guys think this is? Then this must be like a super duper ultra mega rejection megalodon straight TP hit, right?
That's that liquidity grab.
Yeah. Week will be fill. Bro, what? Selling full margin? Awaken. Jesus Christ, we're going to 1929. All these numbers are being thrown at me. It's kind of driving me nuts, dude. Shut the fuck up and just trade. Nah, but
yeah, full margins are for tomorrow, man. Full margin Friday, yo.
Yeah, I mean, if you're looking for sells, it's not ready yet, bro. I mean, honestly, not because I'm in buys. I just don't think it's ready yet. Look at the 15-minute. Look at this 15-minute, right? Big candle. Look at the 30-minute. Very healthy candles, right? 1 hour rejection candle, whatever this pin bar is, right? So you have a 1 hour support that got created right here. I forgot to mark that off. Right? And you have a 1 hour resistance right here as well, right? Create support, it should test resistance. It should, right? I'm saying it should because it doesn't always do that stuff. Buying or selling, I'm in buys, bro. I'm green line's my TP. It looks like it's lollygagging around there. But I have my ways of managing my own risk, so if I see something I don't like, I'll just cut the trade, call it a month. I'm okay with that. Like bitch said, it might come down to that 15-minute slab right there. Ooh, if volume would have to if volume kicks in right now and people are selling, dude, man, you're gonna get fucked. People better be very, very careful, man. Very, very careful. I mean, my trade's already at break even. I can't lose anymore. So if the people are just now entering trades, good luck to you, my brothers. I wish you nothing but the best. I think if price closes below, see how I'm gonna manage it, just in case it does want to act fugazi and flip on me. It's gold; it could do whatever the fuck it wants. See how I can manage it. Honestly, I would have to micromanage it on the 5 minutes. I could see a close below there or break below there. I could close it manually, right? And that would give me a 1-to-1 damn near, a little bit better than the 1-to-1, which is okay. Not what I like, especially not this setup right here. Weird though, they're just reacting like this. Bro, they just want to trade every move. Good luck. Yeah, I take one trade a day, bro, and that's it, man. I feel like if you oh, give me a second here. Let me see here. I might have to manually close my trade. I don't want to sit in this pullback because it's close to volume time, and that pullback might really just honestly continue. But it is what it is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Tell him take it easy, pimp. No, 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 no. Tell him to take it easy, brother. Jesus Christ. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Flip. Nah, I'm just kidding. If it breaks the low, I'll just close the shit. I mean, that's simple. Catching every move is toxic as fuck. It's very bad as well. FOMO kicks in. Yeah, for a lot of people, that's true as well. For a lot of people, FOMO kicks in. And it honestly, now, the 1 hour, if the 1 hour closes like this, oh, this is the 2 hour. Oops. Nah, scratch that. If this doesn't drop, I will quit trading for 1 hour. And then wait for the next setup, you motherfucker, bro. Get out of here, bro. The door's that way. You're supposed to say it should come down. I should stop trading for it. He's laughing too. He's like, motherfucker. Continuing long, yeah. They're entering cells. Watch how they'll shoot up. I mean, I always give everyone good luck, man. Good luck if people are in shorts, if people are in longs. Good luck, bro. My trade's done. You guys should already know my theory. My TP gets hit. If it doesn't, I manage the risk, right? But if my TP gets hit, whatever happens, happens. I can't care less. If you want to blow your account, I would suggest you not to, but that's on you. Oh man, it looks like it does not want to break that high. Come on, dude. Let's go. My man. Ba-da-ba-ba-bum. TP's about to get hit. Ha ha. Ba-da-ba-ba-bum. I won today. Oh man, dude. Come on, dude. 5 more pips. Awaken. It's all love, bro. You're the shit. You the man. You the man. Ba-da-ba-ba-bum. TP got hit. Come on, man. Let's go. Boom. Come on, bro. Fuck. Jesus Christ, man. This motherfucker. Oh, imagine it just rejects right now. It takes a shit. Oh, man. GG's, man. GG's. TP is hit.
That should be good shit.
TP is hit. Now, whatever it wants to do, you guys want to sell, you guys want to buy, that's on you guys. You guys are fucking great. Just fucking leave me the fuck alone. Don't ask me. My TP's hit. I'm done for the month. Very good trade to end the month. I'm 2-2 for the week. I took 2 losses on Monday or Tuesday. And that's it, man. It's a 2-1. The trade was explained from A to B to C. TP, if it was going to break the low, how I was going to manage risk, right? Now, it's time for me to kick it here a little bit. But I'll show you guys a trade setup. Trade setup looked something like that. Stops below. TP got hit, right? Just like that. Very simple. It's actually a little lower. It was actually down here looking at it now. Alright. Yeah, it was like that. Is it? No, it wasn't like that. Well, anyway, it was in this area. TP got hit. It was a 2-1. That's what matters, right? I'm not gonna give you guys any fucking signals, because if I lose, I'll be the biggest motherfucker there is, and if I win, I'll be the biggest sweetheart you guys know. I'm done playing that game with you guys. Right? Now, what I could do is get rid of all the mini lines, get all the little things. So I gotta keep that. Boom, just like that. Just like that. And it could potentially, honestly, it should go higher. It's just I already took a little loss. Took 2 losses in the beginning of the week. Now I took 2 wins, which are obviously bigger than my losses. So I kind of want to book some profits. Tomorrow's another day, right? But you guys are the shit. I am about to end the stream. Ooh, I gotta drop that Telegram for a couple of people that wanted to get in there. Yeah, it's how do I send that shit in again? Invite link, copy link. There you guys go. Paste. Stay here to watch this drop. Nah, bro. I can do whatever the fuck it wants now. TP's hit, bro. Right? Stayed here long enough with you guys, man. Alright, so oh, didn't it paste? Yeah, there it is right here. I think I just pasted it. I think that's it, bro. Right, so yeah. I'll be back tomorrow morning, same time. Same trade setup. Let's see if gold could play out, keep coming higher. I really don't care. You guys are the shit. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for all the support. I appreciate it. I'm out of here.
Later, everyone.